Hello, Ziegfried here from Cloud-Based Services Accountants. I'm an accountant in New Zealand, and everything I will mention today is from a New Zealand tax perspective. So, a lot of clients, they start up a business, let's say a company, and in year one it's going well. They hopefully make some money and get some income, and nobody's asking them to pay over tax or anything like that. After the end of the year, the financial year, your accountant usually come and they do your financials, and then bang, you are liable for tax, and there's a tax bill. And in New Zealand, that tax is then payable on the in the next year, on the 7th of April, and that's called terminal tax. But if your tax is over a certain tax payable is over a certain threshold, then you are immediately liable for provisional tax. So provisional tax is to make provision for tax as you go. I say it's almost like the business person's PAYE, but it's a provision. It's not based on your actual takings. So it's an estimate, and there's a fixed way that IRD calculates that. They take the previous year's tax and they add on 5% onto that, and they get the tax amount. And they're divided in 3 installments. So you actually pay as you go. But what happens is, at that year end, suddenly you feel like you've been double taxed. You get a tax bill, let's say for the 7th of April, and then in August it's your first provisional tax installment, and in January the following year, next one, and then April, and then May. So it can be overwhelming, and a lot of clients say, oh, why am I paying double tax? To explain it like this is, you have never, for a whole year, you haven't paid tax. While if you work for someone else and you're on a PAYE salary, from day one, from month one, from the first paycheck you receive, PAYE is deducted. But as a business owner, it's up to you. So there's a couple of ways to sort that out. You can make voluntary tax payments, or you can, throughout the year, and you can monitor your profit in your business and then make provision for that and start paying. Or you can keep money aside in a savings account, same effect. But if you wait until the end of the financial year and then get a tax bill, luckily for you, you still got almost another year till the next April to pay it. But the issue usually comes with a provisional tax because you didn't budget on that. So this is where today I want to focus on your provisional tax, where we can provide you with a service. It's called tax pooling, where it really is a great product and a service where you won't pay late payment, or you won't incur late payment penalties or exorbitant interest rates or the higher interest rates that IRD is charging. If you make use of the tax pooling. So the tax pooling can effectively postpone that provisional tax for almost, let's say, 18 months in the future. Really a great product. And usually what we do is, if we ask our clients immediately, as soon as we say that they are due for provisional tax, do you want us to arrange tax pooling for you? That will just, especially if you've got cash flow issues, and then you can manage and you can plan and you can budget for it without the stress of commitments like if you get out your year-end assessment, let's say in June, and suddenly you have to pay a massive tax bill or a provisional tax bill in August. Sometimes it's not possible. That's where tax pooling is coming into play. So it's a wonderful product. We can also, even if you have skipped previous provisional tax payments, we can even go back into history and go and sort that out for you. So all your penalties and everything with ID will be reversed as soon as you register for tax pooling. So something that's definitely worth considering. It's a great product that in conjunction with the New Zealand IRD and then the tax pooling providers, the trust companies that provide that. So get in touch with us. If you've got any issue with your provisional tax, perhaps late payment, or you just feel you can't make it, talk to us first. We can get you set up on tax pooling and get that sorted for you. So I hope that's helpful, especially at this stressful tax time that we are at the beginning of the year. And at least there's some light in the end of the tunnel. We can get that resolved for you. If you want to contact me, my contact details are below. Feel free to give me a shout, email, phone me, and I will definitely assist you or point you in the right direction. Even if you're not my client, you're welcome to get in touch with me. Hope you enjoyed this video, and watch out. I try to do this once a week. So hopefully see you soon. Cheers.